These challenging times, everybody need another source of income. Rather it be a job, a side hustle, a side business, something. You need some type of extra money because it's tough out here. Inflation going up, cost of living going up, everything going up, and probably your wages not going up. So these are just some ideas for you to get some extra money using your credit or cash. Let's talk about it. Welcome to Level Up Finance, where we talk about money, mindset on the road to get millions. And on this episode, we're going to talk about how to make money from credit and money from cash. Okay, you might have some things in your house that you're not using that might have been in your house for a couple of years, a couple of months, and you have no plan on using it anytime soon, but it has some value. Put it on OfferUp, put it on Craigslist, put it on Facebook Marketplace, sell it. Get rid of it, get some extra cash in your pocket. After you do that, you probably feel good. You're like, man, I want to do more of this. But how I have a credit card or I have some extra cash now, how can I buy something and flip it? But you don't know what to buy and you don't know what to flip. It depends on what you're into, what marketplace you know. For example, I'm into cameras, I'm into lenses. So I buy cameras and I buy lenses. Sometimes just for deals, like this was a deal. Believe it or not, this is a 16 to 35 G Master f2.8 Sony lens. This value of this lens is $2,100, believe it or not. And I got it for $1,200. I could sell it if I want to, and I could sell it for like 18 and that'd still be a deal. Sell it for 17 to be a deal. I'll make a few hundred. But I had that for a few years. I don't plan on selling that. This is a macro lens. I love this lens. This lens cost me $400, but the value of this lens is $1,100, believe it or not. It's a 100 millimeter f2.8 macro lens. And I know it was a deal because I was in that market. I know about cameras. I know about lenses. You might know about fishing poles. They might put a fishing pole online and it might go for $200, but it really costs $600. So you know that that's a great deal. You might be into drums and you know that drum kit is $2,000 and they might be selling for $1,000. You buy it and you can sell it for $1,400, make a $1,400 profit. Depending on what market you know, have knowledge about, you could make money. You could buy and resell using your credit or extra cash that you got. For example, another example, like I had bought Xbox a couple of months ago. Because like I said, like I preach on this channel, it's a personal finance channel. Like I preach on this channel, when you get out of debt and you don't have a lot of things over your head, you got extra money, you got a surplus, so you can take risks. You could do things that the typical person can't do because they can't waste their last couple of $100 on a bet or a risk. You know, even though it's not really risky, but they don't want to take that chance that it might not happen. So in November, the Xbox went on sale. I didn't know about it till like the last minute. You know, everybody was talking about it. Oh man. So I told myself next time the Xbox selling, I'm going to buy it so I could just flip it. So I didn't use my cash. I used credit. And I went online and purchased 3 Xboxes. Two for $300 and then the big one for $500. End up putting it on Facebook Marketplace, selling the 2 little ones for $450 and then the big one for about $850. So I made about $650. I bought it like November, in mid-November, and sold it early December. If you don't believe me, let me show you. All right, look at this. I named my company, one of my companies is Prime Visuals LLC. All right. So with Prime Visual LLC, I purchased this Xbox, the little one and the big one. I picked one up the 15th and another one the 11th. And I also bought another Xbox in my personal name. And then this is my Facebook account. $450. I had 2. Sold them both. That's $900. Boom. This is the big one. $850. So I made a nice profit in less than a month. in less than a month just because I had credit. I swiped, I purchased something to get a return on my investment and more. These opportunities exist. So I didn't do anything but swipe, buy, and sell on Facebook. And look at this. This is something I'm gonna, show you guys later on, but I don't pay taxes. When you have a business, you can do things like that. Check this out. I bought a $500 item. Look at the sales tax, $0. You can make money off that alone. You could buy item tax free and be like, hey, instead of paying 6.3% in taxes to that, to the state, like with Connecticut is 6.35%. If you charge somebody 5%, they saving money, and they saving money on taxes. You could do that, and depending on how many stuff you sell, you can make a good amount of money. Because with this item, $4.99 times 0.0635, that's $31. That's $31 in taxes. So you can literally buy this for $500, pay 0 taxes, charge that person $20. They come off with $11. You made $20. Imagine doing that 10 times a day. That's $20 a day. People always want to save money. That's a given. You could buy things like this all the time and sell them and sell it to people, save people money, at the same time make yourself money. That's just one idea to how you can flip your credit and make extra money. Look at Amazon. I purchased a product. This is all business. I don't play around. 0 taxes. So you can literally buy anything off of Amazon and pay 0 taxes and charge somebody a little extra money. They saving money. You're making money. Everybody's happy. Win-win. This is with credit. Preferably, you need a business though, to really get these benefits. But if you got things around your house and you see deals online, purchase it, flip it. You can get money off your credit cards via, you could get a cash advance, boom, off your credit cards. You get credit cards off off of Venmo. You can do business with yourself. You can have your personal Venmo and you can have your business Venmo. You can send money to your business Venmo. Your business Venmo can use that money to purchase things. I'm going to show you that too. When you have a business, it open up so much opportunities to do other things to make money, but everything is a risk. Everything is not 100%. But like I said, if you know your market, like I know cameras and lenses, you just know when you see a deal. But it's another way it's so many different ways you can make money. If you into sneakers, you can flip sneakers. I don't know nothing about sneakers. I don't know the most popular sneakers or the rare sneakers or how to flip sneakers. I don't know nothing about that. But if you know that, you can purchase some sneakers, you can flip it, you can make money off of some, some Kanye's or whatever. You can do your thing. So you can use that credit to make money, period. Preferably have a business. And I'm going to show you more things involved with this because this is a lot to cover. I'm always trying to make my videos like 10 minutes or less, but it's so much to cover that I'm going to do more videos based on this topic. All right. So anyways, it's all I got for you. Till the next one. All right. Level Up Finance.